Hi everyone, this is a little bit progress of mine. I just installed the Gazik what we use for like clone robot. We just use it to already build a robot for whatever we want to use it for whatever we want to test. So and I said I should show you all. This is how this is it. See, you see, this is what make the this display. This is what make it display. So this is it. I start the installation from here. I start the installation from here. I firstly check which Ubuntu version that I am using, and this is the Ubuntu version that I am using, which is 22.04. I know before, but I still check just the installation to be very very well perfect. Second one, I check this the version of ROS that I'm using, because I want to use the gunzip with the gzip with ROS2, not that I want to use it for simulation with ROS2, not that only use it separately. So this is it. So when I check it, and it told me this is what it shows me. So it shows me this, and I still check it later, it still show me this. That is why I now go for this Echo. I check it from Echo and I see that I'm using Humble. Although I already know it before because I've been working with it. So I see that I'm using Humble. So this is the version of Ubuntu that version of ROS2 that I'm using. This one, I make a directory. Inside directory, I make directory, which is folder. I still now make another directory inside it. That is why I use this flag p parent, that it should have parent directory. So this have parent and this is the sub directory. So and I create it like that and immediately it's created. So I still now go for this. I now enter the first parent directory. So I ls it just for I can move to the place directly, but I just check it. I ls it and I see that it is inside it. So I now we can now move here and now move to that one, this one, this src folder that I said inside folder I should have another folder called named src. So and I entered it. So next I now this one, this I now download, I installed this I create, like I called it up that it should get ready for a folder. I named the folder that it should get ready for a clone folder. Clone what is it called? I will be creating clone robot. That clone robot means robot that is not directly um feasible, that I can touch, but I can feel how it works. So I said that it should get it ready, but it firstly failed. I just move ahead that maybe I should quickly do this because of network. That is why it failed before. But for me to test whether it's because of network, so I go for this one. That this gunzip, this this gazebo should create its own too, that will be making this one to be working. This one is for joint wheel or like that. The robot will install and will take call all the joint wheel for it to be moving. Yeah, but this one will be the one that I will use to create it here. So this one will call all what will make that joint wheel to be working here. So we now go to this ILS. I firstly see that although this one has already installed, but the second one has not installed yet. So I installed it. That make I have two folder here now. So I now get back to the parent directory, which is parent folder. When I get back to the parent folder, I now run this. I install this, and I ignore this src, that it should not, like, it should go and install it there, that it should be no. Yes. So e now tell me that firstly I cannot do that because I have not installed, I have been, that your ROSDEP installation has not been installed yet. So, and I take this two command, I pick this two command and I run it here, and it firstly installized. After installized, I now run that already, and the one that I firstly want to do. So, and that one ends here. That one, because that one will download um beyond all those one that we have been working for before, that we have been doing step by step. So I now it ends here. So this one, sudo apt installed, I now installed this ROS Ubuntu ROS control that it should be able to control. Yes, I now install it. So, and that one also ends here. That one ends here. So I now build my workspace. I build something into my workspace. What is supposed to build inside it, I build it there. So I now source my workspace for it to be able to if I want to use it in any inside any folder, I can be able to call it out whenever I want to call it out in any folder. So now I now run this like this, that I want this one to show up, what I've been building since, that I want it to show up, and that is what is. So it's still running like this because I have not yet closed it like this. So let us now get to this place, and let me press Ctrl C, and you can see that. Okay, I don't think you can see that. So just wait first. Oh my god, I'm coming. Yeah, some people don't know about this very, very well. Some people are panicking whenever they firstly run this, that wow, is it not that their system have been broken or whatever, because this gazebo has a lot of things that will make beginner think like their system has broken. Because as I press that Ctrl C, it's supposed to take me here direct, but it firstly be like run a little bit before it take me here. So let us now run that. Let us get back to our normal directory, which is, let me just write cd. Okay, yeah, cd. I've get back to this directory, and let me run that one again. You can see that I will be able to open it from here also. So so you can see that's it, guys. You can see it has opened. And yes, this place is a workspace that I will be working every robot that I wanted to build out. But I wanted to firstly check how it will work, like blueprint of it. So this one is like the fake one, not like fake that it will work exactly as I want, but not like the one that I can touch. Some people stopped here because they don't like building real life robots, but we won't stop here. We will just use it for as we supposed to use it. So thanks everyone. This is how the robot is. So this is arm robot. This is the first practical robot that people will firstly see whenever they open it. So, and that, but this one is very, very risky. You can see that it's open two folder together. This one is the one that, and this one is the one that firstly open whenever when I firstly run it. This one is this one. This one is this. So let us killed it. Let us get out. So when I press Ctrl Z like this, I see that you cannot see it before. So when I press, you can see Ctrl Z and it's off. And you can see that it's still blinking. You see, it's still running. So and before it, and you can see. So people also it's very very risky for a beginner if you doesn't know anything about Ubuntu or else before. You will feel like you are very very wrong, but don't panic. Thanks you all. I really appreciate you a lot. Thanks.